Friends, open Pixar tab. Now tap on this plus icon. Now tap on this backgrounds. Now select the black color. You have to go to tools. Now tap on this crop. Select the portrait. Now tap on tick mark. Now go to add photo and select the neon triangle PNG. Now simply stretch out like this. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now we have to go to draw. Tap on this draw. Zoom out. Now select the shapes. Select the line. Decrease the size to around 3. Tap on OK. Now tap on this color. Select the white color. Now tap on tick mark. Now I have to draw one line like this. Now tap on these layers. Tap on these 3 dots. Tap on this transform. Simply arrange this like this. Okay, perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now again tap on these 3 dots. Tap on this copy. Now again tap on these 3 dots. Tap on transform. Now select like this. Now tap on tick mark. Now again tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now again go to add photo. Select this triangle. Simply zoom out and have to arrange like this. Okay, have to arrange like this. Now tap on this shadow. Tap on this position. Bring to 99 and like this. Now tap on tick mark. Perfect. Now I have to select the model image as well as red splash PNG. Friends, this is the model image. Now I have to tap on cutout tool, tap on outline and draw around the model image. Tap on arrow. Now by using this restore, draw on the unwanted and fill the portions. Now tap on the save option. Simply zoom out and arrange this in this portion like this. Now tap on the shadow, tap on this position and arrange like this. Perfect. Now tap on this model PNG, go to adjust, decrease little brightness and increase little temperature, increase little saturation. Tap on tick mark. Now tap on this eraser, tap on this eraser and you have to erase on the bottom portion like this. Tap on tick mark. Now go to add photo and select the red splash PNG. This is a red splash PNG. Zoom out and simply arrange in this portion and increase the little size of your model image also. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. Now we have to go to text and you have to write the model name. This is the model image and you have to select this font. Okay, this is available in Pixar tab. Now arrange model name and tap on color, select the black color. Now tap on tick mark and again go to text and you have to write Instagram model. Tap on done. Tap on tick mark. Pink up arrow. Tap on my fonts and select the road rage font. I will give this font link in the description. You can go and download there. Okay, I also give how to add the fonts to the Pixar. I will give that video link also. You can go and download there. Sorry, you can go and watch that video. Or tap on tick mark. And finally you have to go to add photo and select the further 2 PNGs. These are the 2 PNGs. First I am going to arrange this Instagram. I have to arrange this Instagram layer here and we have to decrease the opacity and tap on these layers, tap on this duplicate and arrange another Instagram logo here one. Okay, perfect. Now tap on this red PNG and arrange in this portion. Perfect. Now tap on tick mark. And friends, finally our special creative photo editing tutorial is completed, and this is the before and this is after. Now tap on save option.